Today, we'll look at the next generation of Chevrolet infotainment system for the 2018 Sonic and Trax. In this video, you'll get a first look at the system's features and how they benefit customers. The new Chevrolet infotainment system features a clean design, a customizable and intuitive user interface, and quick access to the apps customers use most. It also supports Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The new system has an intuitive user interface that customers can set for quick access to the apps they use most. To customize the order of the apps, press and hold an icon until it pulses. Then, drag and drop it into a new location on the home screen or to a new home screen. You can also launch the apps you use most from the app tray. To access the home screen at any time, just press the home button. The summary view offers at-a-glance information about the audio and phone apps without returning to the home screen. Simply press the home button twice to access it, or from the home screen, swipe from left to right. Tap an app to open it. The audio app brings all audio sources together in one place. The most recently used audio sources appear on the audio home screen. To see all the sources, such as connected devices, select More. Setting favorites is easy too. Just press and hold. You can also browse through stations or the media library. To set a favorite, just press the star icon. To enter a station without scanning or browsing, select Tune and enter it. This new system can interact with compatible phones through Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, offering a seamless connection between phone and vehicle. It can also play media from USB devices. To pair with Bluetooth, select Add Phone from the phone's menu and follow the prompts. You can pair two Bluetooth phones at the same time as long as you enable a secondary phone within the device settings. You can also make calls easily from contacts, recents, or favorites, and make hands-free calls by using the push-to-talk button. To search contacts, tap A to Z. To make a contact a favorite, tap the star next to the name. Connect your phone using the USB cable to access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, which provide access to some of your favorite phone apps. You can control them from your touchscreen or using hands-free voice recognition. With CarPlay or Android Auto, drivers can get directions, make calls, listen to text messages, and more. For Apple CarPlay, tether the phone to the vehicle using the phone's lightning cable. Once the CarPlay icon turns green, tap the icon to launch CarPlay. For Android, make sure your vehicle is in park the first time you connect it to your phone. Use the USB cable to connect your phone in vehicle. Once the Android Auto icon turns blue, launch Android Auto in the infotainment system. Then you'll be asked to download the app to your phone if it's not already installed. After your first use, you can connect as usual. In addition to the traditional OnStar buttons, you can also connect to OnStar right from the touchscreen. This doesn't replace the OnStar Blue button. The OnStar screen includes icons for several useful services, such as Advisor Call, hands-free calling, and turn-by-turn directions. From the Wi-Fi hotspot icon, you can rename the Wi-Fi hotspot and create a password. From the account icon, you can find out information like when the customer's data package expires. You can easily identify this new system by looking for the home button and app tray in the lower left of the screen, and by its uniquely shaped app icons. In later model years, other Chevrolet vehicles will include mid and high-level versions of this infotainment system. It's the same basic user interface for all three levels, so pairing Bluetooth, setting audio favorites, and using other functions follow the same process. The mid and high-level systems coming in the future model years will introduce faster processors and additional features like navigation, shop, and user profiles. Look for more detailed instruction on additional features when those models appear. There's a lot to like about the new infotainment system. Be sure to practice using these new features so you can show customers why they're so great. Thanks for tuning in today, and let's remember to keep the customer in the center of everything that we do.